Here are donuts. So, yes, we can hear the sound. And if you hear the sound, you can put the pictures on donut. The door. The door. Can you hear the sound? Door on donut. This is a bear. B, b, bear. Can you hear the sound? The? No. Yes, it has b. B. No. Bear. Bye-bye. What is this? Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. Can you hear the sound? D. Dinosaur. Yes, we can hear the sound on dinosaur. Spider. Spider. Can you hear the sound?
Spider.
Yes, but spider doesn't have the sound. So, bye-bye. Woof, 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 woof. This is a dog. The dog. Can you hear the sound? The dog. Dog on donut. Quack, 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 quack. What is this? The duck. Can you hear the sound? Yes, duck. Duck has the sound. Donut. Can you hear the sound? The donut. Yes, it has the sound. These are for the sound. Duck, donut, dog, door, dinosaur. They all have the sound. Thank you.